Hello, it's me, Poppy Lover 2001. And I haven't been making a lot of videos in a while, but here's my entire fire alarm collection. Still got a lot of stuff, but yeah, a lot of these stuff are cool. Yeah, and there's so many of them. But some of them are in my toy box. Yeah, but I'll try to remember all these model numbers, but we'll start right here at the top with these horns and speakers. Right here is a Simplex 2901 9806. It's the horn I got from Perkins. Yeah, it's a pretty nice horn. Right here is a similar one. This is a Simplex 2901 9838. Wait. It's the AC version. It's a Simplex 2901 9553. And right here is my friend Christian. He's actually playing fire alarm videos to add in the theme, right, Christian? So back to where we were. This is the AC version of the 2901 9838. And in back is a Wheelock. I have two of them. I have two Wheelock 34Ts, but this one right here is broken because you can hear the thing shaking and breaking off, so it will not sound. Yeah, what is it?
You know that Simplex bell you gave me?
Yep.
It's right here.
Oh. Watch
Ready?
this.
You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Can you see from here?
Yep, I can.
It's the same bell you gave me.
Oh.
Ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Alright, here it is.
I see it.
Healthcare facilities can become the scene of many emergencies.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Well, not only I have a bell, but I actually have a chime, which sounds like this. Right here. Oh, there's the horn that he likes.
Wonderful.
So, not only I have the chime, I also have this 4903 92, what's the model number? 4903 91 48 speaker strobe. See, it's a speaker. We don't know what candle it is, but yeah, but the speaker operates at 70 volts. It's pretty cool. Right here is a here's an Ademco 747 and a 746. 67. Yeah, these really were the funniest sounding alarms that I've heard in my collection. Yeah, there's a little adhesive. Yeah, but I've heard these two alarms back in my time when I was trying to mess around with these at CCV to make noise. Yeah, it sounded really, really funny. But I also have some over here. Down under my bed are a couple Wheelock 34Ts and a Wheelock 31T, but they're packed away because I'm giving them to the AFA so they could have them rewired, because I've always wanted to hear them skip. But right here I have this is an Elk SP15 SP15. I'm gonna get the SS15. You know, this is actually my first bullhorn or megaphone that I've actually got, and I'm hoping to test that out soon. Yeah, it's a really cool bullhorn, and I've always wanted it. Yeah. And to go along with it is an SP30, which is a loudspeaker version. I also want the SS30 because they go together. 2 different bullhorns and 2 different loudspeakers. Yeah, the bullhorn is pretty much cooler. Yeah. And another speaker I have is a Simplex 2902 9739. The strobe doesn't work anymore because the diodes were shaking and the strobe doesn't work anymore. So I'm actually going to buy another 2903 because I'm actually going to replace the strobe with a light. Yeah, I've always wanted a light because I like it when it flashes code 3, code 4-4, march time. I also like it when it flashes continuous and march time and all that stuff. Yeah, it's a pretty cool speaker light. And in here, I have a couple that I forgot about, which are where did they go? Oh yeah, I remember now. Wait, where are they? Well, anyways, I can't get to them now, but I also have a couple smoke alarms, but I remember them. I also have an Amsico BZ54VT and an Amsico BZ54VL. The difference between BZ54VL and BZ54VT is because the VL is a live wire version and the VT is a terminal version. Yeah. And right here are a couple smoke alarms that my friend Christian gave me, including this one, which is it's a Kidda Fire X. Yeah, it's a pretty cool one. What other ones do I? I also have this one here. Yep, let me finish. It is a First Alert. Yeah, he gave me a couple of these First Alert ones because I know I liked fire alarms. Yep, and that's all my fire alarms. And also he gave me this portable radio that he's gonna be setting up for me later because I've always wanted to listen to this. Yep, it's pretty nice. So that's my entire emergency and fire alarm collection. If you have any, oh wait, here's the other First Alert. Here it is. Yeah, I have 2 of these First Alerts. They don't work anymore because the things were fried. And the speaker doesn't work anymore, so. And for smoke alarms, we got those ones just like me, right here. Yep, that's all the fire alarms we have. So if you want to contact me for more fire alarms, like I am very happy to get a lot of donations because I like collecting fire alarms just like all of you and fire alarm enthusiasts on YouTube. So if you want to contact me, just dial me at 1508-782-0436 or contact me at or email me at cypitman41@gmail.com. Thank you.